are currently about to go over to the biggest market in Europe to buy some nice fresh ingredients from the locals to make a veggie stir fry for the guests. After the First World War, I believe, obviously there was a lot of sanctions put on Germany. They owed a lot of money to a lot of people. So Latvia had only officially been a country for a few years at this point, so they had a little bit of money in their pocket. They decided to buy said hangars. They used to actually have zeppelins. They bought the hangars from Germany, deconstructed them in Germany, transferred them to Latvia, and then built them back in the place that you will see them in a few minutes. We've got is like just super out of date. Wow. Make sure you get a taste to look after my vegan sis there, dudes. Big old. But yeah, if I